To transfer data from a Xiaomi 17T Pro into your USB drive, or for example from USB drive into your phone, first of all, before you plug it in, you have to open the settings, go to the more connectivity options, and simply enable OTG. Now you will have to just plug it in straight into your charging port. Now you should receive a notification, but if not, you can check for the notification panel in the left upper corner, tap on it once to expand and get into your USB drive. Now let's say that I want to copy, like for example this 2 photos, so I have to select them. Now when I'm gonna click more, I can copy or I can move. If I'm gonna select move, it means that it will be like removed from this USB drive and then it will be available in my storage. So if you also want to keep these files still on your drive, you have to select copy. Now you have to select your internal storage of your phone and put it just whatever you want, for example here in the pictures, and this is finished. And it looks the same from a second side. So if you want to move something from your phone, you will have to open the file manager, you have to just select everything, now click move or copy, and now select the USB storage.